Big debris plug. Coming in over here.
Palm Springs, Pittsburgh.
Most incredible storm I've ever seen in my life.
Living easy, loving free, season ticket on a one-way ride, asking nothing, leave me be.
Alrighty gang, we're getting pretty much tropical storm force winds right now in Palm Springs, and look at these rainfall rates, exceeding 1 inch per hour at times, which goes to show you that yes, this is a full-fledged tropical system still, even though it is undergoing extratropical transition. Squalls are pivoting through. Some places have seen upwards of 2 inches of water thus far, and you can see as these squalls roll through, it is pretty significant. Ultimately, we are hearing reports of flooding up and down the area. Wow, look over there. I'm just amazed by the sheets of rain pouring through and the sudden uptick in winds. Wow, my vehicle is shaking right now, which I frankly didn't expect. We're seeing winds now gusting upwards of about 50 miles per hour here. And wow, look at the trees flailing back and forth. Truth be told, this feels just like the storms I've chased in Florida, in the Carolinas, in Georgia, and Alabama. And I did not expect to experience this on the west coast of the United States as Hilary's remnant impacts continue.